Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Camry spark plugs. First, gather your tools, including a spark plug socket, ratchet, and torque wrench. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery. This prevents accidental electrical issues while you work on the ignition system. We'll cover each step carefully. Next, you'll need to access the spark plugs. Start by removing any engine covers that might be in the way. You'll then see the ignition coils, usually 4 of them, sitting on top of the spark plugs. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil, then unbolt and gently pull them straight up to remove them. Keep track of which coil came from which cylinder. Now it's time to remove the old spark plugs. Use your spark plug socket and extension to carefully unscrew each plug. Before installing the new ones, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Hand tighten the new plugs, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified setting, typically around 13 foot-pounds. With the new spark plugs in place, carefully reinstall the ignition coils, ensuring they seat properly. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the coils. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and listen for smooth idling. Take a short test drive to confirm everything is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your spark plugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.